Welcome to the second part of Gnuplot tutorial video. Today I will show a little bit customization you can do with your graph. First, you can see the peak has touched the y-axis, so we have to increase the y range. To do this, you have to write set x range, then within third bracket the starting point 0 and semicolon and the ending point. Similarly, for y-axis, set y range, then 0 and say 60,000, then replot, or simply you can write REP. So the range is set. You can move the title wherever you want. To move this, you have to write set key or K top left box, then replot. So it is moved to the left, but the height of the box is too small. To increase it, you have to write set K height and a number, say 0.8, then replot. You can also change the width by doing the same. You can change the font size or font style of the title by this set K font, then within comma font name, say Arial Black, comma, and the font size, say 16 or no, so to 12, then replot. So as you see, the border is at each side. So here is the chart. For setting border, you have to write the sum of the bits to set border. We only need border at left and bottom side, so we have to write 1 plus 2, 3. So set border 3, then replot. You can change the border width by writing this set border LW and a number, say 1.5, then replot. So the border width has now increased. Next, these lines are now irrelevant, so to remove this you have to write set ticks no mirror, then replot. So this has now removed. Now you can label a point at x or y axis. Suppose we want to label this point as peak. To do this, you have to write set x ticks and comma peak, then the point, then replot. So the label is set. You can also set grid by this set grid, then replot. So the grid is set. Now if you want to label some points at x and y axis with a desired interval, we have to do this set x ticks, then the starting point 0 and the interval 1 and the ending point 10. For y axis, y ticks 0, then the interval and the ending point, then replot. So the labels are set. Now you can change the font style and font size of these labels by writing this set x ticks font. If you do not want to change the font style, leave it, then the font size, similarly y ticks font, then replot. You can also change the x labels and y labels font size and font style by set x label font and the font style, say Arial, then font size, say 12, and similarly for y label font, then Arial and 12, then replot. Now if you want to keep distances from these two levels, you have to write set y level offset and a number, say +1, then replot, so it will move to the right side. You can write set y level offset -1, then replot, so it will move to the left side. Next you can move the title box between any 2 points at x-axis and y-axis. Suppose we want to move it between 0.5 at x-axis and 57,000 at y-axis. So we have to write set k at 0.5, 57,000, then replot. So the title box is now moved. So you can save the plot, export it to PDF or image.